If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it's so nice to see you again. Today I'm going to be reviewing a drugstore eye cream that I've been using for about a month now, and I really wanted to review this because I'd want to say for like 7 years, I only used the Nivea eye cream, so I really wanted to review this eye cream. So the eye cream I'm going to be reviewing today is the Olay Age Defying Classic Eye Gel. I do want to start off by saying I'm not a skincare expert. I am just here to review this product on my day-to-day thoughts and opinions about it, because I know when going to the drugstore it can be hard to make the right decision, and there's like 10 different eye creams and you're like, what do I get? So hopefully this can help you in the direction on if you should get it or shouldn't get it. When it comes to eye cream, I know that there are some people who recommend it, some people who don't. Some people say it's good for your skincare routine, some people say it's not worth the money and it's not going to do anything. The reason why I like to use eye creams is just to help with the moisture under my eyes, just so that it can maybe help depuff under my eyes, and even if it can't stop wrinkles, maybe it can help prevent them. Or at the end of the day, I would rather spend maybe $15 on an eye cream and feel confident than always relying maybe on concealer to feel confident. So that's the other thing too. I also went about 1 month without having eye cream and I noticed a difference. I personally think that eye cream is a good idea and you should incorporate it into your skincare routine. This one here today, it's between $16 and $12. I picked it up for $15. Some places you can get it for $16. Other places you can get it for $12, but I picked this up for $15. This comes with 15 milliliters of product. I think you get quite a bit of product for the amount of money, considering you're only using a little bit. So you're able to find this eye cream wherever they have Olay. So you can find it at the drugstore, you can find it at Walmart, so it's very, very accessible there. So I wanted to mention, I use this eye cream for day and night. I apply it twice a day because I really like to make sure that in the morning I can depuff my under eyes, and at night I just like to have something under my eyes so that I'm not so dry when I wake up in the morning. And that's really all I'm looking for. I'm just looking for something to help wake me up, and then at night just put something on just so that I'm ready to go in the morning. So this here is to smooth skin, have a more radiant looking skin finish. It's supposed to moisturize the skin. It has cucumber extract, it has witch hazel, and it also has pro vitamin B5 to deeply moisturize the delicate skin around the eyes. This is fragrance free and it leaves skin looking brighter and refreshed. I like that it's fragrance free. I know that a lot of eye creams are not fragrance free, and I personally would rather have a fragrance free eye cream. This one also doesn't dry out my eyes. I know I tried some in the past where the formula is just too strong around my eyes and it doesn't actually dry out my eyes, which I like. Looking at the ingredients of this eye gel, you have water, you have propylene glycerol, I believe that's how you pronounce it. You also have glycerin. So both of those are going to be very moisturizing to the skin. Now the next ingredient is witch hazel. So I know a lot of people are more sensitive to witch hazel. So if you are sensitive to that, especially around your eye area, this may not be good for you. But because it does have moisturizing ingredients prior to the witch hazel, I'm personally okay. So I don't find it too strong of a formula because there is other ingredients prior to the witch hazel. But if you are sensitive to it, or if you don't like witch hazel, this does have some in there. I wanted to hop on quickly and just touch on a couple of different things that I didn't mention in my video. The first thing is witch hazel. Witch hazel is used for inflammation, and a lot of people like to use witch hazel to help tone down the skin and anything that's inflamed. So a lot of the time when I go and get my eyebrows done, I then have witch hazel applied because it helps take the redness and inflammation down. So I would assume that the witch hazel is in there to help smooth out the under eye area, and if there's any puffiness, it would probably help to tone it down. So the vitamin B5 is higher up on the ingredient list, which is good because they do say that it has it in there, so you do get a good amount of vitamin B5. Now if you're looking for cucumber, that does fall under the like half range, so I'm not sure how how much of the cucumber extract you are getting, because it could be on the 1% mark. I don't really know where the 1% mark falls, but if you are getting it just solely because it has cucumber in it, it does fall lower. So it does go like witch hazel, vitamin B5, and then the cucumber extract, so just keep that in mind. So what I personally like is what they say is in here, like the cucumber, the witch hazel, and the vitamin B5. It is all higher up on the ingredient list. It's not like you're finding it way down in the bottom. Now, they say that this does have a cooling sensation and also it smooths out the under eye. I noticed as soon as I put this on one eye compared to the other, it just makes me look so much more awake. And it's not like it hides anything, it's not like it cancels anything, or it doesn't make my under eye wrinkles go away or disappear, and my bags are still there. But there is something about this that you can tell something just makes it look more awake, and it looks a little bit more flat. And I don't know if it's just because it's a gel, so because it's clear, maybe it just looks a little bit more shiny compared to creams. But I personally do really enjoy this one and I like it a lot. I think it's gonna come down to what you're looking for. If you're looking for just a basic eye cream that's going to help moisturize and just boost the appearance of your under eyes, and you can wear it day to day, this is a really good way to go. If you're okay with witch hazel, you would probably really enjoy this. And if you're looking for something maybe that's fragrance free, this is another good option. The other thing that I do want to mention about this eye cream is that it's not going to be anti-aging. When looking for an eye cream for specifically like wrinkles or anti-aging, you want to find something maybe with like retinol in it. This is more so of a day-to-day moisturizer, and it just seems to be one to moisturize and also just really help give a boost of hydration and brighten up the under eyes and take some of the inflammation down. So this is not like an anti-aging one, this is more for day to day. So if you're looking for a good affordable drugstore eye cream, I would recommend this one. You can get it many places, and let me know in the comments down below if you're someone who uses it or not. I personally like to. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when I upload next, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.